There are 5 steps to doing a QoE, but the mission critical and absolute most important one is the 5th. So stay with me. Let's set the stage. You get a business under letter of intent. You get messy tax returns that are all over the place that show $0 of EBITDA that shock you. You get a set of 4 to 6 bank account statements that are monthly and in PDF. And you get a set of financials that are messy as all get out that show somewhat EBITDA, but not really, and you can't interpret them. So how do you do a quality of earnings on something like this? First off, you're going to look at about 30 pages of taxes and hope you get the right numbers for revenue, gross profit, and EBITDA. Then you're going to add up all the revenue, which are just deposits in the bank statements. And then you're going to look at the revenue line in the financials, and you're going to hope all of those things are the same. Fingers crossed. Then you're going to take the 4 bank statements and you're going to try to recreate the income statement out of those statements. So you're going to aggregate all of the deposits as revenue. You're going to aggregate all of the withdrawals as expenses. But some of the withdrawals were actually balance sheet items that weren't on the income statement at all. Certain items that were on the bank statements are add back, so they shouldn't be included at all. But you're going to do the best job you can to put together an income statement with this messy PDF stack that you have. Step 3, you're going to take a look at your 40 to 80 item due diligence list, and you're going to reconcile each and every point to one of the documents that's in the 5-folder, 300 document data room. You'll be reconciling until the reconciling, but if you keep doing it, you're going to get to some reconciliation or some non-reconciliation, depending on the deal that you're working on. Step 4, I'm assuming a self-funded searcher. So now you're going to look at your bank account, you're going to look at your wife. We're personally guaranteeing this. And then you're going to pray to your God. You're going to get on your knees. You're going to go in the corner and get in the fetal position because you have no idea what you just did. You're going to think that you have this all under control for 3 seconds and spend 3 weeks knowing you have nothing under control. This is step 4. It's the most fun step by far. And then step 5 is to get a gosh darn professional to do a quality of earnings. Because I know you're not thinking of making the biggest bet in your life under a personal guarantee, under those 3 steps, which are actually the best way that you could do a quality of earnings if you're not a transaction accountant. And then you're going to end up with a bad bet that ruined everything that you worked 20 years for because you wanted to save a couple bucks. That's going to put you in step 6 that looks just like step 4, fetal position, crying and praying to God. So again, 5 steps to a QoE. Step 5 is the absolute mission critical and most important.